Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device and signing into the correct store account. This ensures the app listing shows accurate update details. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi so size estimates aren't affected by mobile compression, and then open the App Store on iPhone or Play Store on Android. Make sure you're on the primary Home tab. On iOS, tap your profile icon to see available updates, while on Android, search the app name or tap your profile and manage apps to locate the app quickly. Now go directly to the specific App Store page. This is important because the updates list often omits technical details. On iOS, tap the app row to open its product page, then scroll down to information where the app size field is listed. This shows the current download weight. On Android, open the app's Play Store page and expand about this app or scroll to App Info. You'll see the app size or package download size. If an update is staged, compare size to current install to estimate data required. To finish, use the listed size to decide whether to update now or wait for Wi-Fi. Remember, app pages show the download size, not post-install footprint. If the store doesn't display size, check the version history or the developer's release notes on the same page because some updates note their download weight. If you still see no size, clear the store cache or refresh the page, sign out and back in, or restart your device. These steps refresh metadata and usually restore the missing information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.